So colorful. Really nice. Something different. Hello, hi, welcome to another new episode to Manoj Prabhakaran Talks. Thank you so much. You've been supporting me with a lot of feedback and messages which are pouring. And in the video, நீங்கள் first time பார்த்துட்டு இருக்கீங்கன்னா மறக்காம like, share and subscribe பண்ணா further notification ஓட உங்களுக்கு வரும். And without any further ado, let's go into the video. And today it's something I'm going to do different. So keep watching. She's going to be my camera girl today, who's going to handle all the shots. Hi Pratusha.
Hi.
எங்களோட யூஷுவலான ரொட்டீன் லிஃப்ட்ல போறது. So where are we going?
Attapetta store.
Attapetta store, something different coming up. We are going to Attapetta store in the ECR. Newly launched store னே சொல்லலாம். இவங்களோட கான்செப்ட் வந்து பார்த்தீங்கன்னா வந்து ரொம்ப சூப்பராக இருக்கு. அந்த ஸ்டோருக்குள்ள என்னென்ன இருக்கு, என்ன ஏது ஐட்டம் ஸ்பெஷல்ன்றது I'm going to take you to the store. அந்த அட்டப்பெட்டா ECR சென்னை ஸ்டோர் எங்க இருக்குன்றது அதுவும் வந்து நான் கீழே டிஸ்கிரிப்ஷன்ல உங்களுக்கு அந்த கூகுள் லிங்க் பிளேஸ் பண்றேன். ஸோ இட் இஸ் வெரி ஈஸி டு லொகேட் தியர் ஸ்டோர். இட் இஸ் வெரி கியூட், நைஸ் அண்ட் குட். Hello மக்களே, so I finally reached the Attapetta ECR store. So safety first உங்களுக்கு சொன்ன மாதிரி. So I've sanitized my hands. I'm going to take my mask out and I'm going to take you to the store. வாங்க உள்ள போய் பார்ப்போம். அட்டப்பெட்ட ECR சென்னை ஸ்டோரில் தான் இருக்கும். அண்ட் என்னோட வந்து பார்த்தீங்கன்னா வந்து ஃபவுண்டர் ஆஃப் அட்டப்பெட்ட மிஸ்டர் சிவலிங்கம் தான் வந்து என்னோட வந்து இந்த வீடியோவில் வந்து ட்ராவல் ஆக போகிறாரு. ஸோ அவர்கிட்ட ஃபர்தராக இந்த அட்டப்பெட்ட ஸ்டோர் கான்செப்ட் அண்ட் ஃபர்தராக வந்து இவங்ககிட்ட நான் வந்து ஒரு 1-to-1, அதாவது ஒரு 2 to 3 minutes டைம் ஸ்பெண்ட் பண்ணதில் நிறைய டிஃப்ரெண்ட்டான ப்ராடக்ட்ஸ் பற்றி சொல்லிட்டு இருந்தார். அண்ட் அதை பற்றி அவர்கிட்ட கேட்டு தெரிஞ்சுப்போம். ஹாய் மிஸ்டர் சிவலிங்கம். ஹை ஃபை. எஸ், ஸோ தேங்க்யூ ஸோ மச் ஃபார் giving me this kind of opportunity. So Attapetta, in the lockdown munadi வந்து I tried visiting your store in the Phoenix Market City. Looked really good, gorgeous and very big. And so could you please tell me about the store? And your concept is actually something very different and it gives the kind of a traditional way like other customers throw back into your store. So tell me more.
So Attapetta was founded about 3 years back between me and my partner, Karthik. We both started a company called Blue Story 5 years back. And we've seen success, and that's when we wanted to diversify and we came up with this concept of Attapetta. To start with, Attapetta means, it's Attapeti. It's a Sanskrit word for Attapeti. Attapettina box. Box வந்து நீங்க என்ன வேணாலும் you can translate. You can unbox happiness. It is everything, right?
Unbox happiness.
We have international products we procure across the globe. Our biggest strength is our sourcing.
Nice.
And we also have products from India.
Okay.
Now the biggest uniqueness of our products in India is these are products which you've not heard of. The reason I'm saying is most of our products are made by communities. For example, we have Kasi tribe products.
Okay.
This is a tribe which is in Meghalaya.
Can you just go around the store?
Sure. If you look at Attapetta, we have multiple segments of products, right from your home needs, which could be your storage needs, your mats, pillows, to your home decor, to your garden things. We have kids products, stationeries, toys, women accessories. We're getting into women cosmetics, all that. What I really wanted to call out today, which is our uniqueness, is the community-based products that we have. For example, these are all products which is made by tribe.
Okay.
This entire community, we are the only ones who have brought them into a retail space.
Okay.
Basically, you visit that tribe, you will find them selling these products, but they've not come out in a bigger way into market.
Okay.
So these are called Chingari tribes. You see these handmade products, which is all ceramic. These are a mix of some of which has been procured from Auroville, which a lot of us have done.
Okay.
There are some products which we procure from Raipur. There's a lot of concept of Make in India, and definitely our Indian market is growing. But what is amazing is these tribes have unique products. I mean, I've not seen these kind of workmanship in these products. But unfortunately, they are just, within the community, they have a very small outlet. People who visit the community buy these stuff. Now, we wanted to bring it out and, give them a platform in retail space and, even take them globally.
Okay.
So, we are also getting products from Kasi tribe, which I mentioned. They are from Meghalaya.
Okay.
We're working with a lot of community-based manufacturers. We have another about 20 to 30 different SKUs in the next 3 months,
Okay.
which will, in different segments. We write from be it bags to be it the handmade stuff. You have everything we are bringing in. Again, if you see here, you have all your water bottles too. The uniqueness is right from here till that. These are made up of wheat straw.
Wheat straw.
Which is plastic free. And we have unique collections on bamboos.
Okay.
We have approximately about 60 different products in bamboos. Okay. And right now in India, a lot of schools are also emphasizing on zero plastics.
Zero plastic.
So we have a solution for them right from your lunch boxes to water bottles.
So these are all made up of wheat?
Wheat straw.
Wheat straw. So it's actually ஒரு நல்ல கான்செப்ட். ஏன்னா பிளாஸ்டிக்ஸ் நிறைய பேர் இடத்துல வந்து they are banning plastics and it's actually good for usage also. And is this micro safe?
Yes, you can microwave it to a certain degree.
Oh, okay, that's good to know.
A lot of repeat customers come to Attapetta for two main reasons. One, predominantly on gifting aspects. They come to pick up stuff which is different so that they can gift it. A lot of people come there. So for you, if you look at our entire stationery, it is very affordable. A lot of parents come and pick up these stuff as return gift. This is less than 100 rupees. So they pick up like 3-4 stuff and then they give it. So you have quite a range of products available for return gift. These are our entire stationery. For example, these are organizers, which comes with 20 leaves, and these are pretty value-based products.
Okay.
Another thing, what we wanted to show in terms of toys, we have a mix of both.
Okay.
We have the stuffed toys as well as the wooden toys.
Okay.
We've consciously tried to introduce certain product in the market which is safe for kids. For example, the difference between a fur toy and a stuffed toy, if you put it in the mouth, the fur kind of sticks.
Yes.
But these are all cloth-made toys.
Okay.
So we have quite a range of cloth-made toys, which is pretty safe for kids to play with. So we have that flavor as well, which is big mix. Again, you have everything for women, right? From the good thing about women is women are our biggest customers, and what we like about is their handbags. And we have small purses, anything that you need, that can fit in your bag. So quite a few range over here. So again, these are the wine purses. I mean, these are stuff which is again, small things which you pick up. These are again our jewelry. Jewelry is a mix of Indian and Western.
Okay.
So you will have it's made up of cloth. Handmade. Okay. These are all lunch boxes, like I call out in everything. Attapetta
very different.
This is actually thermal, heat resistance.
Oh, okay.
This is kids. You பாத்தீங்கன்னா உள்ள அந்த thermal அது இருக்கும்.
It's something different.
And இதுவும் heat resistant thermal தான். இது வந்து office going people you can use it.
Okay. Okay.
These are some utility products. For example, வீட்ல நம்ம காமனா பண்றது வந்து for example these products. Chain ஏதோ அந்த கழட்டி வைப்போம். But you can hang it here. You can keep it safe and you can hang it here and you can pick it up.
So what is this?
This is actually a rubber. Okay. Kids have the tendency of biting their pencil.
Yes.
So what you need to do is just put this rubber on top of the pencil. They don't bite. And they can use it as a rubber.
Nice idea.
You do erasers. You have different.
Actually, go back to my childhood age.
You have different,
See?
kind of razors. These are masking tapes.
Oh, okay.
For நிறைய lockdown parents have learned to do a lot of projects along with their kids.
Yes, you are absolutely
So they're looking for a lot of products. பட் அது பண்ணும்போதே வந்து கலர்ஃபுல்லாக ஒரு மாஸ்கிங் டேப் இருந்தால் இட் ஜஸ்ட் பிரிங்ஸ் அவுட்
some innovation
in the kids. They do a lot of excitement. So I mean, yeah, like I said.
Another thing, when I was having a word with you, you told there is something also for the kids, DIY. Can you have a look?
Sure. This is a photo frame.
Oh,
Actually, பாத்தீங்கன்னா this is a DIY product.
okay.
இது எல்லாமே வந்து the kids have to do it by themselves. It comes like this. இதில் வந்து they can be as creative as possible. இல்லை உள்ள இருக்கும் இதை எடுத்து அவங்க கலர் பண்ணி they can be as creative as possible.
So that they are very engaged
and they will also அது ஒரு prized possession அவங்க ரூம்ல எங்கேயோ வச்சுப்பாங்க. They will show to people.
You are right, absolutely.
I'll show you something else. This is a dumb box. It basically comes in white color. You need to paint it. So kids can paint it however they want. We have different shapes. Illa doll type irukku, car type irukku. They will paint it. They use it as dumb box. You know, obviously they have a permission to take it out. You don't need to break it. You can keep it for life, safe.
I find your store very colorful and really great. So hopefully looking forward for a lot more innovative coming in.
Absolutely.
நீங்கள் வந்து இவங்களோட ப்ராடக்ட்ஸ் அதாவது அட்டப்பட்ட இருக்கிற எந்த ப்ராடக்ட்ஸ் நீங்கள் வாங்கினாலும் யூ கேன் ஆல்சோ ரீச் அவுட் டு தேம் ஆன் இன்ஸ்டா ஆஸ் வெல். அன்பாக்ஸ் யுவர் ஸ்டைல்னு சொல்லிட்டு அவங்களோட ஹேஷ்டேக் வந்து நீங்கள் ஃபாலோ பண்ணிங்கன்னா ஃபர்தராக வந்து யூ கேன் see lot of their innovative products, their new launches on their Instagram account. ஸோ அட்டப்பட்ட they are available on Instagram and really nice. இது பாருங்கள் ஒரு மினியன் மாதிரி இருக்குது. And I hope you like this video. மறக்காமல் லைக், ஷேர் and subscribe to Manoj Prabhakaran Talks and lot more interesting videos coming your way. Until then, stay safe.